There are different kinds of explosions that can result from anything from gas leaks, improper maintenance of an appliance. It could be an electrical malfunction. It could be a propane tank explodes. You can have an explosion from a wide variety of sources, and the attorneys at Fulginiti Law have handled a lot of cases that involve explosions. In fact, Sarah and I have resolved and settled the largest case in Pennsylvania history that involved explosion injuries to a minor that resulted from a propane tank explosion. When you have an explosion, whether it's on commercial property or residential property, any number of people can be responsible for that and can be held responsible, but of course it depends upon what happened. And it does not necessarily have to be the property owner where the incident happened. It could be some off-site entity that came onto the property to work there. It could be an off-site entity who filled a propane tank. It could be any number of different people who had some involvement with regard to whatever the mechanism of the explosion was, whether it's gas or some other type of fuel, electrical, or something else. If you have been the victim of an explosion, or you know someone who has been the victim of an explosion, the laws in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania protect you, because they protect you from negligence. They protect you from product defects. Depending upon the nature of what happened, depending upon whether it's a product that failed, depending upon whether it's a gas leak, depending upon whether it was electrical service, depending upon what specifically happened to result in the explosion, we will utilize those laws in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania to help you maximize whatever recovery you are entitled to. If you or someone you love has been the victim of an explosion, of course, proper medical care is necessary when the opportunity permits. Please contact the attorneys at Fulginiti Law so that we can begin our investigation, because evidence gets lost. Evidence changes, it gets destroyed, it gets removed, and we need to be able to evaluate the evidence to determine exactly what happened and who is responsible for what happened.